The building was designed based on the request for a unique experience in nature, where it is possible to relax, sleep, and debate around the fire, in short, for meaningful activities that need a specific atmosphere. The building is in a remote location on the farm complex of which it is part. The farm is used for both animal husbandry and social events. Zen House is located on the border of a young orchard and mature trees. It has an archetypal house shape, but it is placed on pillars along with the terrace, letting the landscape pass freely beneath and through it. The concept is thus based on a total connection with the surrounding landscape. This is done by glass walls. Like a bird's nest, the living area is then situated high above the ground, about 4 m, to achieve a sense of security and intimacy. The interior consists of a furniture built-in bar connected to the bed and a fireplace. In between these elements, there is a transition zone with 2 opposing HS portals that lead to the terrace or to the orchard. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.